and Kapkatet, yeah.
Very well, it has been a very busy week for the country and the world at large. And with that today, we get just to look into what happened during the week. And this is Week in Review as we look into the issues that made headlines across the country. And just on that now, we had the 8th Devolution Conference that went down in Uasin Gishu County in Eldoret. And with that, President William Ruto ordered the transfer of all county functions. He said these functions should be reverted back to the counties within 60 days. And also on the same, the U.S. Ambassador to Kenya, Meg Whitman, was a keynote address that she issued on that event. And there she said that the 2022 general elections were free and fair. She says she witnessed an election that was free in the 2022 elections, something that Azimio leader Raila Odinga, who in return asked the U.S. ambassador to keep off Kenya's affairs, that Kenya is not a colony of the United States, and that if she continues giving her sentiments, he will ask that she be recalled. Also, President Ruto immediately defended Ambassador Whitman, also Mutua on the same, saying that only government can have envoys recalled. Rigathi Gachagua telling Raila that he has no powers to recall anybody, not even a chief. And let's just move swiftly and the Canada-Finland saga. That is Senator Mandago of Uasin Gishu, and Mandago and 3 others were charged and released. Remember that 1.1 billion shillings belonging to the parents is in contention on this, and parents demand to be refunded again the 1.1 billion shillings that was raised to go into the school fees of their children. Also now we go to matters fuel. On the 14th of this month, EPRA maintained fuel prices in the monthly review that is on the 14th of every month, and they say that they went and made sure that the Petroleum Development Fund or levy was used to stabilize the prices, that was not subsidy, and that the government made sure that there is no subsidy that will come. President William Ruto also alluding to this. And we go to the bank business. Police this week arrested the wrong person. Remember that 13 million shillings that was found in a house, and the bank house that was also recovered in Ngara. The police arrested the wrong person, and the suspect is on the run. Police asking, DCI asking you to give them information to be able to bust the lady that is in question right now. She has been christened the Queen of the South. And that right there is the Week in Review, what happened in the country. After the break, we tell you how